street vendors for whom we are giving a special credit facility for about 5,000 crores of rupees. This is going to be because most of their livelihood has been adversely affected. Street vendors have not been allowed to do anything during the lockdown, and therefore within a month the government will launch this special scheme which will facilitate easy access to credit for all the street vendors. And when I say all the street vendors, there are 50 lakh street vendors as per one estimation which comes from all the state governments. 50 lakh street vendors will be able to avail of the 5,000 crore special credit facility through which once the lockdown is lifted, they can start their business back, they can buy their products to sell and so on. So 50 lakh street vendors will be taken care of. We are giving an initial working capital of up to 10,000 rupees. And for this, we expect a liquidity provision of 5,000 crores will be made by the government. This is a way in which we are going to help the smallest of small credit takers from the banks, where after the RBI giving 3 months moratorium, when they come back to have to pay the interest, the EMI, they will have a little problem, and we want to support them with some interest subvention. Incentive being, if you pay in time promptly, you get the 2% incentive, interest subvention incentive. So the current portfolio of MUDRA-Shishu loans, you know MUDRA has 3 different types of loans. The Shishu is up to 50,000 is what they take as loan, only 50,000 rupees or less. People who have taken loans 50,000 or lesser, after the 3-month moratorium, when they come back to paying the EMIs, will have for the next 12 months an interest subvention support which will be of 2%, and that support will entail a total relief of 1,500 crores, which is for all the Shishu loan holders. Now, I just want to give you a broad indication of number. I don't think it's possible for me to straight away tell you the exact number, but I can indicate to you, because up to 50,000 will mean some people will have 10,000, some might have 15,000, some others might have 20. So actually, to get the actual number of beneficiaries, I might need a little more time, but roughly, if this outstanding is 1.62 lakh crores, if the total outstanding of Shishu loans under the Mudra category is 1.62 lakh crores, and on the assumption that all of them have taken 50,000, the maximum limit, it will be something like 3 crore, more than 3 crore people. And therefore, if this 3 crore is a conservative estimate, it can be slightly more than that. It will benefit. This 2% interest subvention will benefit about 3 crore people who are beneficiaries of the Mudra Shishu loan. I'm not talking of all the 3 categories, only the Shishu category, which means 50,000 or less loans.